My name is Jane, and this is my husband, Alex. We came from a small town, and 10 years ago,
And 10 years ago, we got married with big dreams, but limited resources.
life was not easy at the beginning. We faced many struggles, worked tirelessly, and supported each other through every challenge.
Today, we live in a big city and hold important positions, but our journey here was not without difficulties.
One of the biggest challenges we faced was communication and using spoken English with confidence. Through this channel, we want to share our daily life experiences so that you can learn from our journey.
Improve your communication skills and grow with us step by step.
Today, we're going to buy some summer clothes for our kids. Come and join us in this lovely conversation. Alex, the kids need new homeware clothes.
Really? What happened to the old ones?
They are small now, and some are old.
Okay. Do you want to buy for yourself too?
Yes, I want something soft and comfortable.
That sounds good for home.
Let's go to the mall today.
Sure, the kids will be happy.
I will make a list first.
Good idea, that saves time. This store has nice homeware.
I like these colors. They look calm. I want cotton clothes for the kids.
Cotton is good for their skin.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to our store.
We're looking for homeware clothes.
For adults or kids?
For me and my kids.
Okay, please come this way.
The shop looks nice and clean.
Thank you very much.
I want soft clothes for home.
Cotton clothes are very good.
Yes, cotton is comfortable. Do you have kids sets? Yes, many colors and sizes. Great, I like these ones.
The colors are bright.
Kids love these designs.
How much is this set?
It is SR30.
That price is okay.
I will take 2 sets.
Good choice.
Thank you.
What size do you need?
1 small and 1 medium.
The kids are growing fast.
These sizes will fit well.
I like this blue one.
And this yellow one looks nice.
Both are very popular.
Are these good for daily wear?
Yes, very soft and light.
Can we feel the fabric?
Yes, please check it.
It feels very smooth.
The kids will be comfortable.
Do they shrink after washing?
No, they keep the size.
That's good to know.
Let's take these two.
Okay, I will pack them.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The kids will be happy.
Yes, I'm sure. Now I want homeware for myself.
Please check this section.
This color looks nice on you.
I like loose clothes at home.
These are very comfortable.
Can I try this one?
Yes, the fitting room is there.
Take your time.
This fits well.
It looks good on you.
I will take this one.
Take one more if you like.
Okay, I'll take another color.
Good choice.
How much is the total?
The total is 120 reals.
Is there any discount?
Yes, 10% off.
That's nice.
Here is the payment.
Thank you. Come again.
We will, thank you.
Have we finished here?
I think we need some more clothes.
Do you want to check another shop?
Yes, let's check another shop.
We still have time.
Maybe we'll find better colors.
Okay, let's go. Excuse me, what fabric is this?
It is pure cotton.
Is it good for summer?
Yes, very cool and light.
My kids sweat a lot.
Cotton helps with that.
Is it easy to wash?
Yes, you can wash it daily.
Does the color fade?
No, the color stays good.
That is important.
I like simple designs.
These are simple and neat. The kids can wear them every day. They can also sleep in them. Yes, they are good for nightwear. Comfort matters at home.
Yes, very much.
We will take them.
Which color do you prefer?
Soft and light colors.
Not very dark ones.
These pastel colors are popular.
I like this light green.
This cream color looks calm.
Both are good for home. The kids like cartoons.
They are not too bright.
That's perfect.
Kids feel happy in these.
I don't want heavy clothes.
These are very light.
Check this one.
Yes, it's very soft.
Many mothers buy this.
Then I trust it.
Let's choose quickly.
Okay, I'm done.
Nice selection.
Thank you. I want to check the sizes again.
Sure, no problem.
Kids grow very fast.
Yes, clothes become small quickly.
This size is good for age 6.
And this one for age 4?
Yes, that is correct.
What about loose fitting?
These are slightly loose.
That is better for home.
Tight clothes are uncomfortable.
I agree.
Would you like one size bigger?
No, this is fine.
The kids can move easily. And play freely.
Parents like these features.
You understand families well.
Thank you.
We are satisfied.
Let's continue shopping.
Please go ahead.
I think we have enough now.
Yes, we bought for everyone.
Shall I make the bill?
Yes, please.
Please add everything carefully.
Of course.
I like shopping calmly.
Not in a hurry.
That makes shopping pleasant.
These clothes feel good quality.
We keep good products.
It shows.
The kids will enjoy them.
They will sleep well.
Comfortable clothes help a lot.
Yes, especially at home.
Here is your bill.
Let me check it.
Everything looks fine.
Okay, let's pay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here are your bags.
Thank you very much.
Please visit again.
We surely will.
That shop was really nice.
Yes, I enjoyed shopping there.
We found good clothes, Izuri.
And we didn't feel tired.
I like the soft fabrics we chose.
They are good for daily home use.
The kids will feel comfortable.
Comfort is most important at home.
I'm glad we checked the colors carefully.
Light colors feel relaxing.
We made good choices today.
Yes, we planned well.
Maybe next time we visit another shop.
Yes, just to compare.
For now, I'm satisfied.
Me too.
Let's go home and rest.
The kids must be waiting.
They will be happy to see the bags.
And excited to try the clothes.
Today was a calm shopping trip.
Yes, a very pleasant day.
Now it's time to explain the meanings of some difficult words.
These words came from our shopping conversation.
The first word is comfortable.
Comfortable means you feel good and relaxed.
Example, the kids will feel comfortable in these clothes.
The next word is soft.
Soft means not hard and nice to touch.
Example, this fabric is very soft.
Now let's explain fabric.
Fabric means the material of the clothes.
Example, this fabric is cotton.
The next word is loose.
Loose means not tight on the body.
Example, loose clothes are better for home.
Now the word tight.
Tight means very close and uncomfortable on the body.
Example, tight clothes are not comfortable.
The last word is shrink.
Shrink means clothes become smaller after washing.
Example, these clothes do not shrink after washing.
These words help you talk about clothes easily.
Keep watching to learn more English.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK.